Got a little present from my friends at Kutzall the other day. They have just released these contour wheels. A coarse contour wheel and a fine contour wheel. Additionally, they sent me a performance enhancing poly plug insert and an attachment for an angle grinder. So we're gonna take these and we're gonna make a bowl out of them. These are awesome new tools that Kutzall just released. Look at this thing. That's the coarse. This is the fine. I'm super psyched for this because my neighbor brought me this chunk of black walnut. And this thing I thought would be perfect as a bowl. However, my lathe ain't set up to really cut a bowl. I do have another Kutzall disc for my angle grinder, and this is great, but it's not really good for getting down into a bowl like this. So today, I'm going to first try on a test piece, and I'm gonna cut this using the coarse, then the fine, and then I'm going to try it on this piece, and then that's all I want. Anyway, so let's do this. I want to be able to hot glue this thing down and then cut into it. And I want to do that in my vise outside. So I need a piece of wood. I'm going to put a center on this thing so that I can hold it within the vise. So let me get a pencil, and I probably need a circle of some kind. Circles. My other friends at X-Fasten just sent me a bunch of circles. So I'm just gonna go down into here, I think. Let's get this thing loaded in the vise and let's give it a shot, shall we? It's a little high, but sure. The control on this thing is just phenomenal. You just pop and drag, pop and drag. I think I'm just gonna pop this thing off here and then go with the real thing, because this is just so easy to use. So I'm gonna follow its natural shape, and I might leave the edge, I'm not sure yet. So I went through, and this is little super glue and epoxy in there to kind of hold this together. So I did this prior to right now. Actually, it sits quite nice. Surprisingly. That took a lot of work. And that definitely needs to be cleaned up a lot. But I think I'm gonna try and sand out more of the inside and also make the top a bit chooched up, as they say. I definitely have to do some cleanup here. But all in all, they came out pretty freaking nice. I mean, I'm getting there.